Hey to family, welcome to my channel. But this time the vlog is in Goa. You must be thinking that there is lockdown and I'm traveling. Well, there was no any restrictions and there was no any lockdown. So that's the reason we could go out of our house and travel in Goa. We visited an unseen waterfall which was so beautiful, I must tell you. It was the first time going over there, so we didn't knew what to actually expect over there, but it was a great experience. I hope you guys see till the end. Sit back and relax as I take you virtually over there. And also, last but not the least, don't forget to like, share and subscribe right now, and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever my video comes live. Say hi to the camera.
Ese hombre está mal, es muy adicto a lo que diga la gente. Rico de money pero pobre de su mind. Quiere todo eso.
So we are going towards our point and the road is fairly good and Noel is back. Hello bro, in action. Now new hairstyle. Yeah. Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya, if you're watching it, please subscribe. Hardik Pandya.
सावडे कशा होय बाजार
Wrong way. Yeah, come on. क्या फंस गया क्या? ये भाई नीचे मत जा. Let's go. Let's rock and roll.
एनिमीज है
Fire, fire. Come on, Noel, you can do it. Still off-roading going on this Activa, the great Activa, India's trusted engine.
Si soy exitoso, atraigo mujeres. Es por lo que sino por la plata.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adonis Fernandez and today we are going to an unknown place in Goa. That's Harmal and it's somewhere near Valpoi, in Valpoi basically, and right now the time is around 4 o'clock. The trek is just 2 kilometers from the road. First we did some off-roading that I will show you guys. We have to walk a bit ahead and the way is kind of like this. These are my friends over here, my cousins and my friends, as we thought of going to this trek. Noel, say hi to the camera. Hi. You always see him. And this is my new friend. And Arafat, the leader, is there. Arafat! He's the leader. Well, this is the jungle we are going through. First experience, always my first experience in my vlogs. And we're enjoying the vibes. Like you can see right now, going through the narrow paths of the jungle. Thank you, bro. And if you're middle of the jungle, there is no network at all. It's zero. I think this over here there's some water coming through. The rocks are very smooth, so I reckon that there is some river flowing through during the monsoon time. Geographic channel, please hire me. They should keep now Adonis versus Wild, not Bear versus Wild. See, they're waiting for us. We are walking a bit slow because of this vlog thing, to show you guys the beautiful place of Goa. can see some nice river, a lake or river, I don't know what is it. We're coming close to the place. I think it's a lake, right?
Yeah.
The river can't be that still. Ashley OP. Wow. Look at this place. Unfortunately the water is very less.
पूरा ऊपर से ऐसा पानी आता है.
हाँ क्या?
समर सीजन की वजह से पूरा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो गया.
अभी बारिश में होगा थोड़ा पानी ऊपर. Unfortunately no waterfall. Sad. But looks very beautiful. And from there we had come up all the way over here. Slowly we climbed this difficult path. And now all my guys are over here. How's the vibe, guys? Answer to de bhai. How's the vibe, guys? Arya, say nice.
Nice.
How's the Josh? Nice नहीं hi sir. How's the Josh? सर कौन बोलेगा? चलो इतना ही पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा. If you look at this very closely, right? This is just one stone. It has been cut by the water, by the current flowing from there. If you see carefully, all this rock have been cut off by the water. By the force of the water, it automatically, creates some kind of a shape. If you see here, and then at the end, it settles down over there, and then the water flows ahead.
Nice view, man.
Yeah, very good.
So what do you say about this
Yeah,
point?
it's pretty good. Good to see such kind of designs by nature. You know what? See, there's a very big spider here.
It's not a spider.
See there?
It's a mosquito.
Yeah, it's a mosquito. And right now we are chilling over here, looking at this beautiful view. Enjoying it, bro.
कला के लिए
गुदगुदी हो रहा है
बहुत.
Thank you, bro, for getting us over here.
Welcome. Thank you sir.
Let's explore more places then.
आओ कभी गोवा पे. कल तू नहीं है ना?
हाँ नहीं, I'm going to Karnataka.
Tomorrow we're going.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm going.
कर्नाटका में शायद लॉकडाउन की शादी. Nice vlog.
I think that's enough for the day. And Noel is trying to be like Tarzan. And guys, this is the last time we are saying bye to this beautiful spot in Goa, where very less people see it. By the way, this trek is very easy. Anybody can do it. Even it's just like half an hour minutes walk. I think just 2 kilometers far from the off-roading. But you need to have a vehicle, whether it's 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. And then you need to walk. And the road is something like this. Now we're heading back to our home because it's almost dark. It's 6:10 right now, and by 7 the full area is very dark. So, and there's no light. And we have one more problem, is that one of our scooty, the tire is punctured. So let's figure out. This is the fun part of the adventure. Like if there's any problem, you need to solve the problem. So then guys, I think this is the end. See you.
Vlog करने का.
नहीं नहीं, इधर छोड़, इधर
छोड़ दे.
क्या तू करेगा? फिश फ्राई?
अच्छे से.
अरे प्रॉपर्ली अच्छे से
Say bye bye friends.
आराम से डालना,
नीचे से नीचे.
आराम से, उसको लगेगा ना.